Hey everyone, did you know there's a Faceless YouTube channel out there that has raked in over $20,000 by simply uploading AI-generated videos? It's true. This channel started just 9 or 10 months ago and has already hit almost 8 million views. Pretty impressive, right? In today's video, we will show you how to replicate this strategy and kickstart your own YouTube automation channel. And guess what? You don't need a fancy degree or previous experience. Anyone can do this no matter where you're starting from. But here's the catch. You need to stick with us for the whole video. If you're not ready to focus for the next 11 minutes, this may not be the right path for you. Let's dive into it. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to earn online. You can build a successful channel with the right strategy, and I'm here to share that with you. These are real and actionable strategies that you can actually use. And the best part? This method isn't limited to just one niche. We can apply these strategies across various YouTube automation niches, so there's plenty of room to explore. To start earning online, the first step is to create a YouTube channel and have videos ready to upload. Don't worry if you're new to this or haven't set up a YouTube channel yet. I'll guide you through every step of the process. If you already have a YouTube channel, great. You're one step ahead and can start right away. But for those without one, here's the plan. First, we'll set up a YouTube channel from scratch. Once your channel is live, we'll dive into an easy, beginner-friendly tool that makes video creation a breeze. This tool allows you to generate professional quality videos with just a few clicks, even if you've never edited a video before. The goal here is to help you start creating content fast so you can focus on uploading, growing your channel, and earning online. And with this tool, you'll see just how easy it can be. So, let's get started. First up, let's create that YouTube channel. Open a browser on your laptop or PC and type Create New Gmail Account into the search bar. You should see a link that says Create a Gmail Account. Go ahead and click that. Again, click Create New Account. Select For My Personal Use. You'll be directed to a new page. At the top, you'll see two boxes, one for your first name and another for your last name. Type in your first name, like Christine, and then add your last name, like Trends. This name can be anything you choose to represent yourself online. After that, next, you'll see some options for your email address. Google might suggest 2 different addresses, but you can also create your own if you prefer. Once you've decided on your email address, set up a strong password. Try to remember it since this will also be your password for YouTube. Once you've added a recovery email, or if you prefer to skip it, scroll down and click I agree to accept Google's terms and privacy policy. And that's it. Your Gmail account is now created, which will be the base for setting up your YouTube channel. Now, let's get into creating your actual YouTube channel using this account. To create your YouTube channel, start by opening your browser and searching for youtube.com. Once YouTube loads, look at the top right corner. You should see a circle icon. Click on it. In the menu that appears, click on Create a Channel. This will bring up a new page where you can choose your channel name and YouTube handle. Since I used Christine Trends when setting up the Gmail account, it's suggested here too, but you can change it if you want a different name. Once you're happy with your choice, click Create Channel. It'll take a few seconds to load and boom, your channel is now created. Now click on Customize Channel to go to the YouTube Studio. Here in the customization section, you can start branding your channel. You can upload banner art that shows across the top of your page, making it look unique and professional. Below that, there's an option to add or change your channel's logo, also known as your profile picture. You can even update your channel name again here if needed and add a channel description. A good description helps viewers know what kind of content you'll be posting. And there you go. Your YouTube channel is all set up and ready for content. Now that your YouTube channel is set up, it's time for the next step. Creating a ready-to-upload video. But let's be honest, video production can feel like a huge task. There's scripting, which means coming up with the right words to captivate your audience. Then you need a high-quality voiceover to bring that script to life. After that, there's video editing, one of the most time-consuming steps of all. Finally, to make sure your video gets noticed, you need an eye-catching thumbnail that drives viewers to click. Each of these steps takes time, skill, and sometimes money if you're hiring help. But here's the good news. I found a solution that streamlines this entire process. Wondershare Filmora. Filmora's new AI features are designed to simplify video creation from start to finish. With just a few clicks, you can handle scripting, voiceovers, editing, and even thumbnail design, making it easy to create high-quality, engaging videos. And I'll show you how to download Wondershare Filmora and start making incredible videos. With this tool, you can create professional, ready-to-upload content without needing to hire a team, helping you save time, money, and effort. Plus, by using this software, you'll have everything you need to start making money online with your videos. Let's get started. To download Wondershare Filmora onto your PC, click on the link provided in the description. Once you're on the page, scroll down a bit until you see a button that says Get Started for free. Go ahead and click on that. Filmora will start downloading immediately. After the download completes, install it on your laptop or desktop. And once installed, you'll see Filmora's user-friendly interface appear like this. To check out Filmora's powerful AI tools, click on the 3 dots in the top menu. This will open up a range of advanced and useful features, designed to make video editing and content creation simpler and faster. Be sure to explore each feature. These tools can be real game changers for your videos. There are so many useful features in Filmora, like screen recording, AI text-to-video, AI-generated images, silence detection, and AI voice cloning, plus much more. Be sure to explore all the options. For content ideas and information for script writing, click on the AI copywriting feature. When you click dot, a drop-down will appear showing different options like YouTube video ideas, title, and description. You can use these to craft your title, description point, and video ideas. Let's add a title to see what ideas we can get. Click on Generate, and you'll see that this AI tool has provided us with 5 video ideas on a topic. Now that we have our video ideas, let's generate a script using just one line. For this, we will use Filmora's another great tool called AI text-to-video. By clicking on it, you will see an interface like this. In this box, you can add your own written script. Here, you can select your video language. After that, you can choose the voiceover. The voiceovers are hyper-realistic. If you want to add your own voice or clone any other's voice, there is also an option. But if you do not have any script, you can use its AI-generated feature. On the top right corner, after that, this interface will show we need to select the type of video. Just below that, we enter our video topic. There's also an optional box to add a bit more information if needed. Once that's done, click on Generate Text. Within a few seconds, your script will be ready. Review it, check the video language, choose a voiceover option, and then click on Text to Video. It may take a few minutes to process, but soon enough, your video will be ready to view. Wow, amazing! You can see this tool has automatically generated scenes, voiceover, background music, and added captions, which would be time-consuming and costly if you hired someone for it. You can edit or change any scene, background music, and captions. If you're not satisfied with the scene, there's another great feature called AI Image. Let's recreate the first scene using this feature. To generate an AI image, click on Stock Image, and you'll see the AI Image feature. Here, you can write a prompt and generate any type of image you want. I've written a prompt with the help of ChatGPT and pasted it here. Click on Generate, and let's see what it comes up with. You can see it generated 4 variations. Pick the one you like and replace it with any scene you choose. As everything is ready, the last step is creating the thumbnail. Like I mentioned earlier, this is an all-in-one software, so you can design your thumbnail right here too. To get started, click on Export, then click on Edit. Here you'll find customizable thumbnail templates organized by niche. Select any template you like and customize it to fit your video. Now, before I show you the final result of the video, Filmora does have these AI music generator features and AI sound effects that generate music sound according to your prompt, so to speak, okay? I'm going to generate an AI music in just a few clicks. You can go with the mood, theme, or even genre. This would be sad, joyful, happy, or anything you can think. And here is where you get to play around with the settings. You can even make your audio 5 minutes long, okay? So just wait for it. And this is exactly what our audio sounds like. Amazing, right? And there you go. The sound effect works the same as the AI music feature. All you have to do is just describe the sound you would want to hear or generate, and this can be anything. Now you're all set to start creating and earning with Filmora's AI tools. In just a few clicks, you can produce full videos complete with voiceovers, captions, and thumbnails, all without expensive equipment or hiring anyone. Whether you're building a YouTube channel or creating content for clients, Filmora streamlines the process so you can start earning faster. If you're ready to make content creation profitable and easy, click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on earning through content
By taking
creation.
a step back and objectively evaluating our thoughts and actions, we can identify areas for improvement and recognize our strengths. This process allows us to gain a better understanding of ourselves and our abilities, ultimately leading to increased self-assurance. To begin building confidence through stoic self-reflection, it's important to set aside time for introspection. Whether it's through journaling, meditation, or simply taking a walk alone, finding moments of solitude can help us connect with our inner thoughts and values and goals, gaining a clearer sense of our true selves.